I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and getting straight into settings. Make sure your OS is current and you have a backup. This prevents surprises. Once in, open Screen Time and authenticate with your passcode or Apple ID so you can change reporting. You should check Share across devices now and see which accounts are linked. Disconnect any secondary devices you control. This step matters because removing cross-device sharing prevents activity from appearing on other family or synced devices. Next, you focus on disabling the reporting features that make usage visible. Turn off Share across devices and the Screen Time toggle to stop local aggregation and reporting. If family sharing shows your device, either adjust member permissions so they can't view Screen Time or sign out of family sharing entirely. Another practical option is to use a separate Apple ID or a guest account for sessions you want private. This isolates activity by design. Make sure to double-check linked accounts so no unintended sharing remains enabled. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the changes take effect. Once done, open Screen Time and confirm it reads off or shows only local data. If visibility still persists, revoke specific app permissions or reset your Screen Time passcode to regain control. Make sure iCloud settings aren't re-enabling sharing. Sign out and back in carefully if necessary. If sync restores visibility, recheck linked devices and family sharing. That single linked account is usually the culprit, and removing it will resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.